Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into how to make the most of your Amex Equinox credit. If you are ready to get started, make sure to subscribe for more tips on maximizing your credit card benefits. Let's jump right in. Section 1. Logging into your Amex account. First things first, let's access your American Express account. Head over to the American Express website and click on the login button at the top right corner, right here. Now enter your username and password. If you haven't created an account yet, click on create new online account and follow these prompts. Section 2. Navigating to Equinox benefits. This image is showing the Amex dashboard. Once you are logged in, you will land on your account dashboard. Now look for the benefits tab in the navigation menu at the top of the page. Click on benefits to view all the perks your card offers. Scroll down until you find the Equinox section. Here you will see information about the Equinox credit available for you. The credit is designed to offset costs related to Equinox membership or services. Now section 3. Redeeming your Equinox credit. To redeem your credit, you will need to enroll in the benefits first. Click on the Enroll Now button or link provided in the Equinox section. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your enrollment. You will usually need to link your Equinox account or memberships to activate the credit. Once enrolled, use your Amex card for Equinox transactions. The credit will automatically apply to eligible purchases, appearing as a statement credit on your account. Remember, it's important to check any terms and conditions associated with the credit, such as eligible locations and deadline for using the credit. In section 4, tracking and maximizing your credit. To keep track of your credits, click on the Statements and Activity tab. Here you can view your recent transactions and see how your Equinox credits have been applied. Make sure to regularly check this section to ensure you are getting the most out of your benefits. And if you have any issue, the Amex customer service team is always there to help you. That's all for today, and hope that you found this video helpful. If so, then give us the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. We will see you with another video.